The Arquus Scarabée, a cutting-edge French military 4x4, impressed at the Paris Air Show. Its compact design allows for helicopter or C-130 airlift and paradrop deployment. On the ground, the Scarabée reaches 130 km per hour and features four-wheel steering for lateral movement, enhancing combat evasion. It seats 3 passengers plus driver. Its hybrid diesel-electric powertrain offers both high performance and stealth capabilities, including silent electric mode. Unique swinging doors improve personnel protection. Arquus debuted the Scarabée internationally at IDX 2021 in Abu Dhabi. The Buran APC is a Russian armored vehicle series for military and law enforcement. Models like APC-5, APC-6, and APC-10 offer unique features for specific operations. Despite aviation industry roots, Buran APCs are ground-only vehicles, reaching speeds up to 100 km per hour on roads. Their modular design allows versatile reconfiguration, from medical transport to cargo vehicle, adapting to diverse scenarios. Buran APCs provide robust protection, withstanding a 6 kg explosive projectile from 80 meters, ensuring crew safety in high-risk environments. The Falcatus, or Punisher, is an advanced armored vehicle used by Russia's FSB TSSN for over a decade. Presented to President Putin in 2016, it's designed for high-risk operations. Named after a Celtic sword, the Falcatus has been in use since 2012. It meets Russian State Standard 6A for armor, protecting against armor-piercing incendiary rounds at close range. Built on a KAMAZ 4911 Extreme chassis, it features a 12-speed gearbox and 730 horsepower diesel engine. The Falcatus can reach 160 km per hour and carry up to 10 personnel, enhancing its effectiveness in pursuit and special operations. The Plazan Garter, initially designed for São Paulo's military police, has evolved into a versatile armored vehicle for crowd control and specialized operations. Its adaptable design accommodates various configurations, including command posts and medical facilities. Engineered by Israeli defense firm Plazan, the Garter features a spacious interior for up to 24 individuals. Its man-turbo diesel engine and 5-speed automatic transmission allow navigation of challenging terrains, including steep inclines and water obstacles. The Garter proved effective during the 2016 Rio Olympics. Plazan's expertise is evident, with over 40,000 armored vehicles deployed across 25-plus countries, cementing their global leadership in defense and security vehicle manufacturing. The Stina Complex is an advanced security system for rapid law enforcement response and area securitization. Developed with officer input, it deploys in just 3.5 minutes. Its 8-meter barrier adapts to various scenarios, transferring load to the vehicle's frame for versatility. The Stina features a robust blade capable of breaching barricades and moving 2.5-ton obstacles. Ongoing refinement incorporates law enforcement feedback to maintain operational relevance. The AKSUM Chaser 980 is a cutting-edge marine vehicle designed for diverse maritime challenges. It boasts exceptional durability with bulletproof windows and a ballistic steel cockpit, ensuring robust protection. Combining formidable defense with impressive speed up to 93 km per hour, the Chaser 980 excels in various maritime scenarios. Its versatility allows customization for missions like anti-piracy, search and rescue, and personnel transport. A key advantage is its compact design, fitting into a standard 12-meter shipping container, enhancing operational flexibility. The Kronos submarine, developed by a Ukrainian firm in the UAE, is drawing attention in naval defense. Its innovative hull coating reduces sonar signature, enhancing stealth. The submarine's unique maneuverability allows rapid 180-degree turns at top speed. Using a hybrid electric-diesel propulsion system, Kronos can dive to 250 meters and stay submerged for 54 hours. It accommodates 10 passengers and a pilot, suitable for various missions including special operations and rescue. Armed with advanced weaponry like Italian-engineered torpedoes, Kronos represents a leap in underwater warfare technology. Its covert operation, effective target engagement, and swift disengagement capabilities make it a valuable naval asset. The LD-1 upgrade enhances ATV protection for law enforcement. It provides comprehensive 360-degree armor, certified to NIJ standards, capable of withstanding 7.62 by 51 mm NATO rounds. While appearing as a simple ballistic shield addition, the LD-1 significantly improves officer safety during high-risk operations. It offers protection comparable to personal body armor but on a larger scale. This upgrade maintains the ATV's speed and maneuverability while adding crucial defensive capabilities for critical situations. The JINO Motors Titan, a specialized water cannon vehicle for crowd control, features a 12,000-liter capacity and 70-meter range, operated from the cabin. It can disperse water, chemicals, tear gas, and foam. Designed for functionality and safety, the Titan's cabin seats 5 in a steel-reinforced fuselage. Its 12.8-liter engine produces 480 horsepower, with automatic and manual transmission options. This armored vehicle costs around $150,000. JINO Motors provides training and ongoing support. The FNSS Marine Assault Vehicle, MAV, is a cutting-edge amphibious tracked armored vehicle from Turkey's FNSS Defense Systems. Designed for the Turkish military's amphibious operations, it excels in troop and equipment transport from ships to shore. With innovative hull design and powerful water jets, the MAV achieves 13 km per hour in water and 70 km per hour on land. Its self-righting capabilities ensure reliability in challenging maritime conditions. The MAV features enhanced protection and advanced mission equipment, including the FNSS Kaka remote-controlled turret. FNSS is among the few NATO suppliers with an active production line for these specialized amphibious armored vehicles. Strike Group is recognized globally as a trusted and reliable manufacturer of high-quality armored vehicles, with over 30 years of industry experience. The company operates state-of-the-art production facilities and has the capability to customize vehicles to meet the evolving needs of its military and government clients. MADF is a highly capable and versatile armored vehicle designed for military air defense applications. Featuring advanced ballistic and blast protection, the MADF is equipped with a 360-degree turret system. Powered by an 8.9-liter diesel engine, the vehicle can carry up to 10 passengers and incorporates a central tire inflation system for improved mobility. The Rezvani tank combines luxury and protection for discerning enthusiasts. Its 1,000-horsepower engine delivers exceptional performance, while bulletproof windows and armored body ensure superior security. Equipped with night vision technology and an explosive detection system, the tank offers unparalleled safety in various conditions. Priced at $259,000, it represents a significant investment in luxury, performance, and security. The Panhard Crab and Cockerill IX showcase advanced military vehicle technology. The Crab, a 4x4 armored vehicle for the French Army, features unique lateral movement and a 25mm unmanned turret. It reaches 100 km per hour, balancing mobility and firepower. The Cockerill, ground interceptor, focuses on proactive threat neutralization. It exceeds 160 km per hour with a hybrid drivetrain and integrates AI and multi-sensor fusion. Its versatile armament system accommodates various weapons from cannons to missiles. These vehicles represent different military design approaches. The Crab emphasizes tactical agility, while the IX prioritizes integrated combat technology. Choice depends on specific operational needs. The REX, manufactured by South Korean company JINO Motors, is a specialized vehicle for military and law enforcement. It features a rapidly deployable hydraulic barricade wall and a powerful water cannon for crowd control. The steel barricade, with 4-meter wide sections, can be activated in 60 seconds from the cabin. Available in 4x2 and 6x4 configurations, the REX includes cameras and video recording for situational awareness. JINO Motors will showcase it at the 2024 Eurosatory Defense Exhibition in Paris. The Lenco Advanced Rescue Medevac G3 is an armored medical vehicle for high-risk scenarios, offering protection, patient capacity, and critical care equipment. Its importance was demonstrated during Hurricane Harvey in 2017, when it safeguarded medical staff from attacks. With armor comparable to advanced body armor and exceptional off-road capabilities, the Medevac G3 can navigate 48-inch deep floodwaters. This allows access to areas unreachable by standard ambulances, enhancing emergency response in challenging environments. The Inca's Sentry TIV is an armored vehicle for special operations, featuring a vertical assault ramp tested globally. Custom-built with a 330 horsepower diesel engine, it offers high-level ballistic protection against rifle fire. Designed for secure transport and tactical support, the Sentry TIV enables rapid response in critical situations without waiting for additional vehicles. This efficiency is crucial in hostage, criminal, terrorist, or emergency scenarios. The CB-90 HSM, an advanced combat boat by Saab, is designed for efficient troop deployment in challenging coastal environments. With two 900-horsepower Scania diesel engines, it reaches 83 km per hour and has a 555 km range. The modernized interior accommodates 21 individuals, including a crew of 3. Its optimized engine configuration improves stability, speed, and reduces noise. Versatile in combat, the CB-90 HSM can be equipped with remote weapon stations, grenade launchers, non-lethal weapons, and advanced imaging systems. The Swedish Navy has ordered 18 vessels to enhance coastal security through 2040. IAG's new armored rescue crane vehicle excels in high-risk rescue operations. Its 13,000-kilogram capacity crane handles heavy loads, while 4x4 and 6x6 configurations powered by a 380 HP diesel engine ensure versatility in challenging terrains. Built to withstand extreme conditions, it protects against NATO ammunition, mine blasts, and rollovers. The two-person crew benefits from military-grade blast attenuation seats, making this vehicle a vital asset for hazardous rescue missions. The Alvis Saracen FV603 APC exemplifies British innovative tank design. This six-wheeled armored personnel carrier, produced from 1952 to 1976, showcased versatility despite limited production. Its global deployment, including Indonesia, proved its effectiveness. The Saracen carried 2 crew and 9 personnel, reaching 72 km per hour with a 400 km range. Armed with a Browning .30 caliber machine gun in a compact turret and capable of mounting a Bren 7.7mm light machine gun, the unconventional-looking Saracen served the British military effectively for decades as a capable, well-armed APC. German companies Rebo and Rheinmetall collaborated to create the Rebo Rack, an armored tractor for areas with potential unexploded ordnance. The vehicle features a detachable, reinforced cab integrated with a John Deere 6R series tractor, capable of withstanding a 45mm projectile impact. Exhibited at agricultural expositions like Agritechnica 2017, the Reborack complies with NATO explosive protection standards. It offers comprehensive operator protection through heated bulletproof glass windows and armored steel underbody plating.